His shoes are all wet.
Wet? Oh.
Jeez. Throw it over the porch. Throw it out, over.
Okay.
It's all gone. Very good.
Amy.
Give me your what? Oh, Daddy's going to have to go down and get shovels.
Papa. Shovel. Oh. Oh. Shit.
That hurts? Let me see. I think it's still on your hand. There it is. Yeah? No? I guess it's all... There it is. All gone.
Oh.
All gone.